Hello YouTube, I have taken apart this cashier screen. As you can see, it works. Like, there's the screen. As you can see, it says the same thing there as there. If I select this one, it says this one. If I select this one, it says this one. Yeah, I didn't admit. I can change those, but well, I select there. As you can see, it works even with I have set one custom one. That's what that one. Well, anyway, as you can see, this thing is pretty fucking annoying and works. Well, the weird thing is the CPU is removed. Excuse me. The CPU is removable, as you can see. This is the CPU unit. And what I want to see is what happens when I remove it while it's booted. Ooh, that's interesting. It goes black. Okay, now I shove it in. And reboot it. So, if you remove the RAM of a desktop, the screen goes glitchy. And if you remove the CPU of a cashier, and have a cashier device, then the whole thing falls down like a... What the fuck is this? What? Hello? That's weird. I think I have destroyed the unit, maybe. I hope not, that's the only one I had. I got this from my work, where I worked to check those devices for usage. And we couldn't find a use for this one, so I got it, but they were like, "Ooh, no, it's dangerous. You'd rather not use it. You may destroy it." Or no, wait, they were not scared that I was destroy it. They were scared that the information of the customers were on the street. So it's a privacy issue, but anyway. Oh, maybe I should not fuck around with this system that much. Maybe if I press some more. Yeah, what? I found the problem. Well, while this thing is booting, let me show you something else that happened. My cucumber has sprouted. Yeah, I'm bored. As you can see, this thing runs fucking Linux, but the creators, they're bitches because they did not release the source code, which the GPL requires you to do. Anyway, another fun thing to do is put this in programmer mode. Good blue. Look at this! All the options you can change. Password, disk, and a lot of other shit. I have no clue what most of this shit does. I'm not a cashier, nor anybody controlling those devices. But I do know one funny thing to do. Restart the thing, because it doesn't work when this mode is on. It has to be done while it's turning on. But if you're a cashier and you want to prank your friends by saying, "Oh look, I broke the device," press Ctrl C on the keyboard while booting up. You will be inside a Linux shell and it won't boot up until you type exit. As you can see, it's just running Linux. I can even type... Oh wait. Uname -A. It's Linux, hostname none, this long string of versions. I see it's still custom. It's made on Monday, January 8th by 14 o'clock, CNET 2007. It's running an ARM V4TL processor. It's indeed running an ARM one. And the other thing says unknown. I'm not sure what the fuck unknown means, nor what the fuck V4TL means. But this is compatible with any other ARM 32-bit chip. So, at least you don't put an Acron in it. But it's also your iPhones, bro. The iPhone 10 is better than this fucking piece of crap. Even though it's a $1,200 piece of shit, if you ask me. I mean, I don't know why, but still, Apple decided, well, let's make this thing unpayable. And let's see if people still want to pay for it, even though it's a shitload of money. And people did. They fell for Apple's scam. Now they're getting milked and milked until they're having no money at all left. Anyway, enough talk about Apple. And enough talk about that thing. See y'all later.